Hi everyone, Carla here from Happy Tales Farm. This week we're going to talk about an issue that people face mostly in the house, and that is with having their pig pee in the undesignated pee area, which can be very, very challenging, especially for anyone that knows pigs. They pee a lot, so you want to make sure they're peeing where you want them to pee. Now, just on a side note, it's not natural for pigs to use the bathroom in the house. They're not domesticated like our dogs and cats, so for them it's very confusing, especially if they're babies, to be expected to use the bathroom in a litter box type area. So you've got that working against you right off the bat. Now, the number one reason that pigs pee in the house is if they're unneutered males. So if you have an unneutered male, you want to get that male neutered, assuming that they are still within the size limit to do that, because that's going to cut down on that issue greatly. There are some medical issues that can cause that, like for example a urinary tract infection or a sheath, and that has to do with like the skin on the penis. For girls, they could have a yeast infection. They could have crystals. So it's really important that if this issue continues, that you do seek the advice of your veterinarian, because it may not be behavioral, it may be medical. If you're bringing a little baby in, you have to understand that baby's going to be scared, right? They've been taken away from their mother and their litter mates, and they've been brought into a human home. It could just be that the baby's frightened. So there's a few things that you need to make sure that you are always doing to try to alleviate this issue, or even stop it before it starts. So you're going to want to make sure that you're giving your pig just checking on some sounds out there, many frequent potty breaks outdoors. You just like a dog, when you train a dog, you could have an area that you take your pig so that they associate that with the bathroom. So lots of frequent breaks. They're going to want to pee, after they eat or drink a large amount. So just watch them closely. You will learn the behavior, and you'll be able to tell when they're about to go. So, just follow your pig around and take them outside a lot. You also want to make sure that the area that they're going to the bathroom, we'll call it the litter, isn't near their food or water. So just like dogs, they don't want to eat where they poop. So just make sure those areas are separate, because if not, your pig could just choose to go somewhere else because they don't want to go beside where they eat. If it continues and you've checked it, there's no medical issue, and your pig just keeps going to a certain spot in the house, move the litter box there. It's going to save a lot of heartache. Pigs are really smart, and if they decide that that's where they're comfortable going, then it might just be you just need to move the litter box there. Don't ever underestimate their intelligence. Pigs can also do this type of thing just because they're in retaliation. They're angry at you. Trust me, they're really clever. So think about that. You don't want to punish your pig. You want to do lots of positive reinforcement, no hitting and things like that. But just to train your pig, always use positive reinforcement. Usually that comes in the way of food. And lastly, just take a deep breath. Patience is key. You will get there. It's just going to take some time. They can read you really well. They can read your body language, your tone of voice, and all of those things. So just remember, like when you're talking to your child, keep it cool, and just, don't give up, because in the end, you're going to have this pig that's not going to be doing this anymore, hopefully, and, everybody's life can go on. But it does take work. These are not, animals that are necessarily easy in the house. So just know that time, patience, and hard work and lots of positive reinforcement are going to make everybody's life better. If you have any questions of your own, please don't hesitate to email me at inquiry@happytalesfarmsanctuary.ca. Have a great day.